Hi, thanks for coming to the channel today. I've got a quick tips and tricks video which you guys community pharmacists will benefit from. It's my advice for FP10 MDA prescriptions, which most of you probably just call methadone scripts, and how you can lay it out to reduce the chance of errors and just make your life in whole a lot easier. So we're going to assume with this prescription that it's legally valid, clinically valid, all that sort of stuff, and we're just going to be focusing on the endorsement page. So guys, please just, when you get a new prescription comes in, just lay it all out. So one of the first things that I do when I receive a new methadone script is I fill out the endorsement page. You can see there's 14 rows, which match up with the fact that you're only allowed to supply 14 days worth of medicines on this type of prescription. So I fill out every date, just the date. When it's given out, you can fill out the rest. Most places have like a methadone stamp. But also by doing this, it makes sure that the prescriber hasn't prescribed more than 14 days. So another key thing that I do is on the days which people collect sort of multiple doses. So for example, a lot of patients on Friday will collect doses to take home with them for the Saturday or Sunday. Some patients will, on a Monday get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There's loads of different combinations. But what I do is I group it like this. So by just grouping the days which are picked up together, let's make it clear. You want to make it as easy as possible. A 30-second task. Honestly, guys, really thank it. The methadone hasn't been made up and you've come to find the script and then you find that it's really messy on the back. It's hard to decipher. You don't know what's been going on. So guys, that's my FP10 advice to make your life a little bit easier. Quick shout out to my tutor who taught me sort of everything I know. Probably, one of the best pharmacists I've worked with. Just want to say thanks, bro. I've been Pharmacist Geek, and I'll see you in the next one.